midnight oil lit up the honky-tonk highway. I see the sun come up, cause I ain't been to bed. Gonna have my name cut into a stone when I lay my head. No rest for the wicked, at least for
this fucking week. I just had like a 9 out of 10 pissing off of there. All the way over.
empty the ring of fire. Rolling like the Mississippi, oh mama tried. But I got bad down to my bones. Don't know where I'm gonna go, oh sweet time. I'm running wild. I'm running wild.
What we doing today, Noah?
We fishing the big blue today. Picky ass fish. Fish of 1,000 casts, so we'll see how we're feeling if we're not catching shit after 2 hours, but usually it takes 3 hours and then you see what they're eating, so we'll see. I know Big Mike is gonna catch him first cast.
We'll try.
You already know. First cast, this guy, no problem. I'll go up top, you guys take the nice deep shit.
Okay. Oh shit, okay. Nice. Hell yeah. Yeah.
Yeah. Hello, baby.
Nice, bro.
That's all I wanted to see.
What'd you have under the
Oh, the little copper zebra.
Is that what's on the bottom?
Yeah.
Nice. Yep, that's what he ate.
Yeah, dude, he's so fucking tiny. I didn't even realize it was a fish. I was like, oh, that's a rock. And then it started swimming, and I was like, what the fuck? Alright, dude.
Hell yeah.
Good fucking move.
Fish on the board.
Fish on the board.
The little zebra. Yup.
Yeah, that's in there.
You need pliers?
Yeah.
I got mine right here.
That's what I need to do. Shit.
Let's see, baby. Fuck. Come on, baby.
There it is. Alright, see you later, bud.
I know, bro. Let's see what we can do. There we go. I let it drift all the way down there, bro. Yeah. It's the longest drift of my life. Yeah. It's not bad. Yeah, I think he took the midge. Not bad. Nice.
Nice, dude. That's a good one.
Yeah.
Brown?
Yeah, it's a brown.
Brown's on fire.
Popped off right here too. Yeah, look. Not bad. Thank you. There we go. There we go, Noah. Yeah, it seems pretty nice. Oh, it came off. Got another. Oh, it came off again. Yeah. Yeah.
Oh! That is why you need to strip in your slack. Well, that's a great sign. Hell yeah. Take it again. Yeah. Not bad. on the stimmy. Stimulus check. Where my stimmy? Okay, little guy. Look, Cuddy. Yeah. Stop that. Yeah, on the stimulator. I had a nice rise on it before. Yeah. He's gonna get all the brake clean and fucking .3 from my hands onto them. Alright, feisty. If you go right in front of that tree, is where I got one.
I haven't had a single bite.
Nice. Alright, buddy. Fuck. He's swimming. Yeah, I missed my first one. I had way too much line out. And it just blew up. It was a nicer one than that. And he spat it in time. Yeah, I had a lot of line out, so that's probably why he fell hooked. No way. That's sick. Oh, it's got her fawn. Oh, that's awesome.
Dude, me fighting a fish with deer in front of me?
It's epic. That's MTD Outdoors right there, baby.
AJ!
AJ, look at the deer.
You see the deer crossing the river? You see the deer?
Deer just upriver. Nice bow.
I couldn't see my fly, I just saw a fish jumps at the hook.
Yeah, I have not been able to see my fly for the past 15 minutes, bro. Bye.
See that?
Maybe.
It's a little dark out.
Maybe it'll pick it up.
That's what we live for.
Eh, she gone.
You know, I'm
Hell
gonna
yeah.
call it after that.
I think it is, bro. Good day fishing.